together with the tensos and some Craig screws down at the bottom. And to secure it all in place, I'm just fitting it at the top. It's such a rigid assembly, just brackets at the top is fine to hold everything together. I've had to notch out the coving there. Red plug into the wall, that's a red 6mm Uno plug. So drilled into the wall with a 6mm diameter masonry bit, and then into that through the bracket is the 35mm 4-gauge screw, and then down into the bracket is a 17mm long 3.5 gauge screw put in using the Festool drill with that very good right angle attachment. I'm fitting this on top, pre-made in the workshop, set back a little bit more than 18mm from the front edge. 32mm Craig screws again, coarse thread through pre-drilled holes in it. They just pull nice and tight onto the carcass. That then will be my backer for the strip, which will fit on the top, just slightly back from flush with the edge of the unit. And before I do that, I'll be putting brackets up from those upstands into the ceiling, just so everything's tied together, and the backer piece becomes a nice sort of flat frontage that the cornice can then be fitted onto. So now the unit's all levelled, I've added some brackets at the bottom just to secure the bottom. That's really taking a thorough belt and braces approach. And now here is the loose shelf that just drops in as a good friction fit with the Divario fittings bottom and top. And here's the divider ready to go in. So that's pre-drilled for hinges. That's got our Divario fittings top and bottom. Should just be a case of lining it up. That's okay actually. So that's gone in nice and tight.